I love the animal disco show. And here come the octopuses. Get waving, get waving, get waving. Are you watching us? Wow, Cian, look at this. An octopus is also really good at squeezing his body into very small spaces. I bet I could squeeze through this. I'm not sure about that. I'm pretty sure I could fit. I am quite good. Not as good as an octopus. You have a skeleton, Cian, but an octopus has no bones. Look at this guy. He's squeezing into that hole to get away from danger.
I like doing it just for fun.
Oh my goodness! Cian, look at this one. He's gonna try and fit through that tiny hole. You know, it's much harder for us humans to squeeze through small spaces because our skeletons can only move so much.
Not if you practice a lot like me. That gives you stretchy ligaments and tendons.
What are ligaments and tendons?
They're what hold your bones together and join your muscles to them.
Cian, are you watching? This octopus is amazing. Cian. Cian, how did you do that?
Practice. Lots and lots of practice.
Wow. Well then you've got a superpower too.
Thanks, Cormac.